had to catch up on the news because I'm so busy with work and I don't want to be sidetracked because kailangan mo mag-focus sa ginagawa mo. May tinatapos
Oh,
akong pelikula, ang dami kong ginagawa. Kung pakikinggan ko pa yung news, panonood ko pa yung news, baka hindi ako makapag-concentrate. But of course, I had to catch up because as a citizen, it's my job to be in the know. It's my job to
oh.
know what's happening, not just to be updated, but to also be in touch with what's happening with your nation because you're a citizen, you know. And then, dito nangyayari yung patriotism. So I want to be aware, but you cannot point fingers right now, but I've been praying about it. Sana mapanagot talaga yung kailangan managot para naman magkaroon ng konting rest para magkaroon naman tayo ng confidence sa gobyerno natin at sa bansa natin because this is not about anyone anymore. This is about the Philippines. So sana lang magkaroon tayo ng yun lang, awareness na we can be apolitical, we can be apathetic, but at the end of the day, you have to do what you have to do as a citizen, as part of this nation. And I think, from my end, hindi kasi ako opinionated na tao. Hindi ako
Mm-mm.
nakikialam sa ganyan. It's not my turf. Pero push comes to shove, gagawin mo talaga yung kailangan mong gawin para maprotektahan yung bansa mo. Hindi yung gobyerno, kundi yung bansa mo at ang pamilya mo at ang paligid mo.